Hey YouTube, what's going on? Lone Wolf here. I hope that everyone can hear this. Today we're going to be playing a little bit of Knights and Dragons because it's one of my favorite games out there. And, you know, there's a lot to this game than just, you know, some pussy, you know, crap. And it is on a tablet, so I really hope that it's recording and it really works. I will do I've already started, so sorry. I may, do a whole new playthrough by uninstalling this and everything. So this is what my gaming channel is going to be all about. I'm going to fight this epic boss, beat the shit out of her. Go see the loser. Oh, son of a poop. And 7. Not that Radgast or whatever would do anything. Ooh, hold on. Oh, YouTube did something. Alright. So, I really hope it's doing what I hope it's doing. So this is going to be, my gaming channel is really going to be gaming on the tablet. Oh, look at it. I didn't even need those losers. Excuse me. And, I will be starting my own guild soon. So, yeah. I'm actually playing the Xbox at the exact same time-ish. I'm updating, Call of Duty AW. And letting it do all of its, stupid stuff that it needs to do in order to run correctly, I guess you could say. My quest. Pet proficiency, pets to tons. I don't have the money for that. Add and hire a friend, the more the merrier, a friend indeed. Cold passions, craft new armor. What? I don't want that stupid 20 XP crap. Upgrade. Oh wow, it really costs that much. That is stupid as all hella. Hella buds. Oh god, I hope that this is picking up my voice. I might have to turn up the volume and just pull down the settings. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Auto collectibles. Pause, pop up. Auto, advance to next wave. Auto use, nice special attack. Alright. That was my one little seed. I had a seed. Ooh, my guild leveled up. Dismiss all. There we go. I don't know how long I've been recording for. A couple minutes maybe. Pause, stop, 12 p.m. Alright. So I'll record for another 5. I'll move on to the next stage and defeat it for the first time. And get that new armor. And then I'll end off the video because I just really wanted to tell you guys about this, If you guys want, I will do a video on how you can record your screen like I'm doing. It's actually pretty easy and pretty cool, and I really like it. I like the fact that I can kind of do what I like, having a gaming channel on a game that I really like, So, nope, because you're a loser and nobody likes you. You're a loser and nobody likes you. You're a loser and you'll never be as good as me. You're a loser and you'll never be as good as kicked your ass. Sorry, I got a little carried away there. You're a loser. Holy sheep poop, they took out my first guy. Oh, well, I leveled up. Well, that's too bad. They ain't gonna win. They ain't gonna win. They ain't gonna win. Oh, I picked up little snowballs. Accept new area. Hold on. Start quest, skip. Boy, no one cares. Put him in. Because all my friends are losers. Oh, I need friends. I was gonna record like the Xbox, because you know that's something that has a lot, but it wouldn't let me, and I would have gotten in trouble for copyright claims and everything, you know, blah blah blah, all that poop. But I think that I can still get in trouble for this, but you know, fuck it, I'm a gangster. Give me that money. Give them violet. They don't have purple hair, do they? Oh, they do. Woohoo! Okay. And I think that I've gotten all my knights. Hold on, I got an achievement. Complete 25 quests. I'm amazing. Menu. My knight. You. Do I not have a better thing? Alright, well, you're just gonna get in there. You know, I really like armors. I'm gonna run over to the enchanter real quick. If I'm going way too fast for you guys, I'm so sorry. I'm just used to going fast, I guess, because, you know, and it's almost max leveled. I think 20 is max leveled, so we're gonna go ahead and... Yeah, it still needs horns. It needs horns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oof, that was terrible counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoopsie daisy. Whoopsie daisy. Did I mean to do that? Did I do that? This channel is also going to be a shout out to Boss 1212, Boss 1212. That's my little homie, and he deserves just as much love as I do. Actually, he has more love than me. I'm a loser. Well, anyways, guys, I hope you really enjoyed this intro video. Well, more like the second video on this channel. So, thank you all so much for watching, and